Oh, hello there, my virtual my imaginary students. So we'll be doing this once again because of the activity. So I'll just be sending you this video lecture so that the time will not be wasted. And I hope that you will watch and study this because this is the continuation of our chapter one. I think after this, we are done with chapter one and you're ready to take your quiz for next week, face to face. Okay, so I'll be sharing my PowerPoint now. And let's continue with our discussion. Okay, so we are done with the uses of technology in our daily lives in different aspects, in different fields, such as in education, in communication, in banks or transactions in banks, we use technology. And we have also studied the positive and negative impacts, such as the redefined friendship in socialization, and etc. I know you all know all of those. Okay, so now we're continuing with current trends and emerging technologies. When we say emerging, these are the technologies that are developing, that are flourishing. So from the old version or from the first version to the high-tech versions or the newest versions. Okay, trends, these are what we have at the present time. Okay, so technology is expanding at such a fast pace nowadays, allowing for faster development and advancement in society. Fast paced because every year, as you're noticing, cell phones are developing or transitioning from the last version to the new version. Ayan, laging may versions, laging may panibagong version or new features ang technology. Just as you thought na this is the current and the latest version, tapos mamaya after like 5 months, 6 months, or after a year, meron na namang panibago. So fast-paced nowadays. Inventions give birth to new inventions. Okay, inventions after inventions. All right, so we'll be dealing with some technical terminologies here that we hope to explain very well and in a general manner kasi hindi nyo naman kailangang matutunan yung specifics niya dahil hindi naman tayo mga IT, pero intindihin natin siya in a very general manner na maintindihan pa rin naman. Okay, let's start with the first one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. I have come across a meme sa Facebook about this artificial intelligence. Sabi doon sa meme, kung may artificial intelligence daw, meron ding natural stupidity. How does it mean? Artificial intelligence, kunwaring katalinuhan, tapos yung natural stupidity ay totoong kabobohan. Ayan. Kunwaring katalinuhan tapos totoong kabobohan. Ayan. Yun yung meme, yun yung joke doon sa na-encounter ko sa Facebook. If we have artificial intelligence, we also have natural stupidity. Okay, anyway, let's go back here. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. So when we say artificial intelligence, this is a method of making a computer think intelligently like the human mind. Okay, first and foremost, it's called artificial intelligence because the intelligence does not come naturally from the object itself. Kasi yung katalinuhan ng computer hindi naman galing sa kanya mismo. Of course, there are people behind that intelligence, di ba? Sino ba ang may gawa ng computer? Sino ba ang nag-develop ng software, ng hardware? Sino ang may kinalaman dyan? Ang mga may gumawa niyan? Tao pa rin naman. That's why it's called artificial intelligence. Dahil yung intellect niya ay hindi galing mismo doon sa object, pero there are people behind it. Okay, so AI is carried out by studying the patterns of the human brain and by analyzing its cognitive process. Using AI is essential in the development of intelligent software and systems. Okay. Importante siya, necessary siya kasi grabe yung convenience na pwede niyang idulot sa atin, especially when we are talking about security. Let's take a look at the following examples. The following are tasks processed by AI-enabled devices. Number one, speech recognition. This is a function or a feature of a cell phone, perhaps, of sa mga Apple natin or mga high-tech phones natin. We have Apple, mga iPhone. Pero actually, sa Android, meron din naman ito, yung mga high-tech na Android natin, hindi yung mga lumang versions. Speech recognition, yung boses mo, yung tone of voice mo, we can use that to lock your phones. Tapos, ma-open lang kapag ka marirecognize nung cellphone yung boses mo. So, kapag ka ibang boses, hindi niya i-open. Hindi niya mabubuksan yung cellphone. So, you see, AI helps a lot when it comes to one's security. So, kahit na maiwan mo yung phone or mawala, for example, ayun, sayang pa rin, of course, kasi nawala, sayang yung pinambili, pero ang importance ng mga ganitong features, kahit na nawala or may humahawak na iba, hindi naman niya magagamit. Kasi, hindi naman kayo magkaboses unless kaya niyang gayahin. So, yun yung mga ilan sa dapat pang i-look into or pag-aralan, delve more into that depth, pag-aralan pa ng mga developers natin na dapat nare-recognize din na katulad na boses pero hindi talaga siya yon. So paano kaya na parang ginagaya lang? Dapat it can also detect copyers, ganyan. It can also detect different people copying the voice of the original owner. Okay, so aside from your speech recognition, we also have object detection. Okay, such as your facial detection, yung itsura ninyo, pwede rin pang-lock sa phone yan, yung eyes ninyo. Syempre, hindi naman tayo pare-pareho ng pupil, ng iris, pag dilated yung isa, tapos yung sa'yo hindi naman. Kapag tinutok mo dun sa phone, iba-iba tayo ng features, so hindi magbubukas yung phone pagka itinutok mo sa mata ng iba kasi yung ginamit mo doon na pang-lock ay yung sa mata mo, for example. Okay, predictive evaluation and anticipating analytics and smart devices. So those are your examples for artificial intelligence-enabled devices such as your cell phone. Okay, machine learning on the other hand, class, is a subcomponent of artificial intelligence. Subcomponent, ibig sabihin, under ng artificial intelligence, yung machine learning. ML applications learn from previous data or previous experience through supervised or unsupervised learning. When the ML application is exposed to new data, these applications learn, grow, change, and develop by themselves. ML involves computers finding useful information without letting them know where to look. Instead, ML leverages different algorithms that learn from data using an iterative process. Okay. All right, let's continue. We stopped here at machine learning. So again, it's a subcomponent of artificial intelligence. It's under artificial intelligence. And what do we do here in machine learning? We're actually teaching the machine. So it's still the human who is behind this machine learning. So paano? Mag-provide ng example para mas maintindihan ninyo. Kaso, fix ko lang ito. Kanina ko pa inaayos. Fix ko lang ito. Stop sharing muna. Ayun. Okay. Hindi na ko pa ito inaayos. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Okay na. Ayan, sabi dito sa machine learning, ayan, tao pa rin ang nagtuturo doon sa machine kung paano niya i-receive yung data na nakukuha niya, yung information na nakukuha niya. Yung reception ng machine ay tayo pa rin ang may kagagawan ng mga human. Okay, so paano yan? For example, i-capture mo yung mata ng isang tao and then you will label it as an eye. Tapos the next time na i-capture ng computer yung mata, alam niya na it's called an eye. So, ganun ang machine learning. Okay, and then, nag-emerge na rin yan, nagkaroon na ng mga features, so hindi na lang niya i-label as na, hindi niya na lang alam na mata yung kinapture niya, pero meron na rin, i-classify na rin niya or i-qualify, i-describe na rin niya as big eye, round eye, yan, singkit, etc. Okay, blue, brown, green ay ganyan. Okay, machine learning ang tawag doon. Nag-capture ka ng object, nilabelan mo sa una, sa pangalawa na ika-capture niya, siya na mismo yung magli-label. Machine learning yon. Okay, now number 2. Anyway, itong mga pinag-aaralan natin class on artificial intelligence, again, these are the current trends and emerging technologies. So, i-label muna natin yung una, kung current trend ba siya or emerging technology. I think artificial intelligence and machine learning will fall under current trends kasi meron naman tayong niyan ngayon. Okay, meron tayo at the moment niyan. Okay. Same with robotic process automation, meron na rin tayo nito. Let's provide examples. This is actually used in big companies, big factory companies. Why? Basahin natin. Robotic process automation is the application of artificial intelligence. Ito na, di ba, technology is meant to be, learnings in technology are meant to be applied. Hindi lang siya theoretical, pero because of technology, ang daming na-invent na nakakatulong sa atin ngayon kung paano padaliin ang mga trabaho ng tao. So instead na gagawin ng tao, ginagawa na ng machine. Robotic process automation. So robot na yung gumagawa. Yung machine na makina na ang gumagawa. Okay. Machine learning in software capable of handling high volume, repeatable tasks that previously required human labor. Some of these tasks include addressing queries, making calculations, maintaining records, and making transactions. Kung dati, doon sa drive-thru natin, mayroong tao doon na nakaabang para kunin yung order natin. Ngayon sa McDo, meron na yung machine, tama? Pipinutin na lang natin kapag may queries tayo or may transaction tayo, isang pindot na lang at nakukuha na nila yung orders natin. Robotic process automation ang tawag doon. Another one, sa factories, yung packaging ng mga candies, imbis na tao pa yung magbalot, machine na. So pag-label ng mga candies, yung sticker, pagdikit ng sticker, pag-cut ng candy, robotic process automation yun. And remember this term, yung repeatable, repeatable task, paulit-ulit, diba? Tapos may timing din, may computation of time din. Like every 3 seconds, bababa yung saw, for example, para i-cut niya yung candy. So after 3 seconds, para pare-pareho ng length yung candy. I'm sure na nakapanood na kayo ng ganyan sa YouTube. At it's made possible because of robotic process automation. So hindi na kailangan ng maraming tao para mag-cut ng candy o i-hire sa factory kasi nga meron ng machine na gagawa nun. Okay, ang trabaho na lang actually ng tao na hinahire nila ay mag-switch ng machine, maglagay nung, actually pati paglalagay nung na pack na candy sa box ay machine na rin, di ba? Magda-drop na lang doon sa baba na may nakalagay na kahon mismo. Ayan, so sa tingin ko yung pagbubuhat from the factory to the vehicle, yun na lang yung mga ginagawa ng mga tao. Paglilinis ng machine, pag-maintain ng machine, pag-switch, yun na lang yung mga gawain ng tao. Okay. That's why it said here that RPA is useful in manufacturing industries. Okay, number 3, edge computing tayo. Edge computing is designed to solve some of the latency problems caused by cloud computing. When we say latency problems, delay problems, kaya siya tinawag na latency. Ang internet natin, class, o yung data natin ay nanggagaling sa cloud, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng delay kapag tayo ay connected sa internet kasi nanggagaling pa sa cloud yung data. So pag nagkaroon ng delay, madidelay din yung gusto mong function doon sa computer. For example, nag-click ka, tapos nag-lag, it's because it has not received yet yung function na gusto mong mangyari or gusto mong ipagawa. Okay, latency problems. At edge computing, siya yung naisipan nilang solusyon para dito sa delay problems when we are talking about cloud computing and internet. So it exists on the edge closer to where there is a need for computing. Because of this, edge computing is used in real-time or time-sensitive data processing in remote locations with limited to no connectivity to a central location. In these scenarios, edge computing is utilized as mini data centers. So edge computing will increase as use of Internet of Things devices increase. Ang example dito para mas maintindihan ninyo, yung sa cars. Ayan, for example, so nag-drive ka, mayroong pusa dyan, kapag gagamit ka pa ng internet at nagkaroon ng latency, nasagasaan mo na yung pusa bago pa na-detect ng kotse mo na may pusa dyan. So dito sa edge computing, kinocompute niya na yung edge, Okay, yung surrounding. So, nandyan na, na-detect niya na, kaya huminto na. Okay, edge computing ang tawag natin doon. Okay, sasakyan, very high-tech na. Ibang bansa meron na yan, dito halos hindi pa. Okay, number 4, quantum computing. Again, emerging technology ito, hindi ito current trend, although may mga nagde-develop na, pero hindi pa rin siya gaano existing. So quantum computing takes advantage of quantum phenomena including superposition and quantum entanglement. Quantum computing is applied in banking and finance, such as for issues in fraud detection and credit risk management. Quantum computing trivia class is 1,000 times faster than your supercomputer. Ayan, so 1,000 times faster, kaya wala pa. Pero yan yung nilook forward nila para bumilis ang bagay-bagay reception of the functions. Okay, this technology is also involved in preventing the spread of the coronavirus. It helps in the development of potential vaccines and the management of epidemics thanks to its ability to easily query, monitor, analyze, and act on data kasi nga mabilis siya, 1,000 times faster than the supercomputer. So quantum computers are now faster than regular computers. Multiple companies such as Microsoft, AWS, Google, and many others are making innovations in the field of quantum computing. Okay, so they are still in the process of making innovations, developments, ayan, pinag-aaralan pa nila yan. Existing na siya sa iba, pero hindi pa siya pangkalahatan. Emerging technology yan. Okay, number 5, virtual reality and augmented reality. Who among you have tried to attend exhibits, ganyan, science exhibits, yung kapag nagsuot ka ng goggle or ng, ng shades tapos makikita mo yung 5D or 3D, 4D ng object. Virtual reality yun. Parang akala mo nandoon ka sa ilalim mismo ng ocean, ayan, nakikita mo 5D, gumagalaw yung mga hayop, ayan, iba't ibang malalaking isda, etc. Virtual reality, virtual and augmented reality yun. Okay, basahin natin. Virtual reality or augmented reality and extended reality are the most often used technologies for environment simulation. Ginagaya niya yung environment simulation. VR immerses the user in a virtual environment. You are being immersed into the virtual environment. Ayan, parang nandoon ka mismo sa venue or doon sa environment. Akala mo nandoon ka mismo kasi 5D nga. Yun yung feels, yun yung pakiramdam. Ayan. Okay, who among you have already experienced that? Raise your hand. Charot, recording lang pala tayo. Wala tayong imaginary students ang meron tayo. Okay. So although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming thus far, it has also been used for training, as with virtual ship simulation software used to train US Navy, Army, and Coast Guard ship captains. Ayan, dyan na nagtitrain yung mga US Navy, Army, and Coast Guard ship captains natin kasi nga para siyang totoo, very real, virtual reality and augmented reality. So, parang nila gawin sa hindi nila pag-eksperimentuhan, for example, or pag-trainingan ang totoong mga hype or totoong mga tao, dyan na sa virtual reality kasi parang totoo. So, dyan na sila nagtitrain. Okay. For example, how to save a drowning person, ganyan. Gagamit na sila ng virtual reality kaysa naman may magkunwaring nalulunod, baka magkatotoo pa, ganon. Okay, blockchain, it's a public and chronologically ordered series of documents called blocks. Encrypted information is done through cryptography. Ayan, yung cryptocurrency natin. Yan, sino sa inyo ang mga nag-engage dyan sa mga cryptocurrency? Parang may coins ka, for example, tapos pwede siyang withdrawable. Parang sa una, hindi siya totoong pera, ayan, or virtual, parang yung sa cryptocurrency nga natin, pero withdrawable, ganun. Okay, so the encrypted information ensures that user privacy is not compromised and data cannot be altered. Ayan, yan naman yung minimake sure ulit kasi nga may in-invest ka dyan, pera mo mismo, account mo, so kailangan na magkaroon ng user privacy at hindi dapat nako-compromise yung data. So unlike modern financial institutions, blockchain network information is not controlled by a centralized authority. So the network's participants maintain the data and they have the democratic ability to authorize each transaction that can occur on a blockchain network. Okay, number 7, Internet of Things refers to the connectivity of computing devices embedded in ordinary things that allow them to send and receive data. Sensors are installed on IoT devices to collect that data from their surroundings. Environmental data is used to trigger and make automated judgments in this manner. So consumer-level application of these devices include placing them on phones and appliances, medical and fitness equipment, livestock, and more. On an industrial level, these devices can be used for machineries, shipping equipment, vehicles, robots, warehouses, and others. Pag sinabi natin Internet of Things, connectedness or ng mga bagay-bagay, interrelatedness ng mga bagay-bagay, okay, through technology. But the location of these devices matters less than what they do. IoT devices talk to each other by sharing data and getting feedback based on said data. These data include those that are generated, analyzed, and acted on by other devices connected through the internet. Again, when we say Internet of Things, interrelatedness or pagkakakonekta ng mga bagay-bagay through technology, through the internet. Okay, 5G. 5G is a current trend. Meron na yan. Dati 3G lang, 4 lang, 2 lang, 1, ganyan. Ngayon meron ng 5G. Of course, again, 1,000 KB ata yan. Mas mabilis. Ang D2 SIM, Globe, ayan, may mga 5G na sila. Okay, as far as I know. D2 and Globe. Okay. O, sa inyo, mga cellphones ninyo, ilang G ang meron kayo. Siyempre, pag mas mataas, ibig sabihin, mas mabilis yung internet niya. So 5G services improve the bandwidth capabilities and network latency of computer networks. This is expected to revolutionize our lives. Ayan. It will cause a revolution. Ibig sabihin, a drastic change kasi sobrang bilis nga. Ayan. Hindi na mag-cause ng latency, wala nang bagal, wala nang delay. Isang click mo lang, nandun ka na agad sa page, wala nang loading. Okay, 5G yan. By enabling services that rely on advanced technologies like AR, VR, and cloud-based services. So cloud-based gaming companies like Google Stadia, NVIDIA, GeForce, now and much more will further improve their performance through 5G. 5G will also be used in factories. An example of this is the use of camera security systems using 5G. This help improve safety and traffic management, smart grid control, and smart retail. Okay, and last one here, we have cybersecurity. Ayan. Syempre meron tayo niyan. Current trend din yan at importante yan to protect our privacy. So cybersecurity focuses on defending devices and services from electronic attacks by hackers. Ayan. Yan yung pinaka-purpose niya, protect us from the attacks of the hackers, especially mga IT experts, ayan, na ginagamit ang kanilang skill sa maling pamamaraan or maling gawain, nag-hack ng bank accounts, hindi lang bank accounts, nag-hack ng social media accounts, or worst, ito yung worst na pwedeng mangyari, yung sa mga military natin, hinahack nila ang database ng isang bansa para malaman nila kung nasaan yung presidente, tapos i-ambush nila or i-assassinate nila, ganyan. So, pinaka-important ng cybersecurity sa isang bansa, especially when we're talking about national defense. Pero on a very superficial level, or hindi naman siya shallow, or hindi naman siya superficial, hindi naman siya kababawan, pero ang pinaka pangit kasi na pwedeng mangyari as far as cybersecurity is concerned ay yung ma-hack ng ibang bansa yung database or database system ng isang bansa at malaman niya na lahat ng information patungkol doon sa kayang-kaya niya ng atakihin. Okay, yun na yung pinakamalalim. Pero doon sa mga common, yung mga alam nyo na, ayan, Facebook hack, Instagram hack, ayan, Messenger hack, ayan, napasok kayo na pag-alaman nila ang inyong password or na-hack nila, may ginawa silang mga coding hanggang sa napasok mo yung accounts ninyo. Kaya naman meron tayong cybersecurity. Okay, so IT professionals focus on removing the offensive components of computer networks and improving network security for network modes such as computers and smartphones and databases. Okay, kaya nga yung doon sa una, artificial intelligence, yun actually ang pinaka-application ng technology class, yung artificial intelligence. Cybersecurity and artificial intelligence are interrelated with one another in a sense na kaya merong mga artificial intelligence to strengthen one's security or one's privacy, one's cybersecurity. Okay, kaya meron tayo nung speech recognition, facial recognition, object recognition para hindi agad-agad mapasok yung accounts natin. Meron ng mga ganyan sa bangko, yung boses mo lang yung makakapag-open dun sa mga account mo, makakapag-open ng transaction. So without your voice, hindi makakagawa ng kahit na anong transaction, kahit na asawa mo for example or anak mo unless na inallow mo or pinermit mo o kasama din yung boses nila doon sa pwedeng magbukas ng account. Ayan, cyber security. Okay. I think we should end there muna. Okay, and do the following instead. Answer the following questions. I will just type this sa inyong messenger at saka maggagawa na lang ako ng pag-turn in ninyo sa MS Teams. Okay? Let's go back here. Ayan. Have a good day, class. I hope you watch and study this. Bye!